Welcome all of you. Today we will discuss density based clustering method. We know partitioning method and hierarchical methods are designed to find spherical cluster. Now we are concentrating on non-spherical clusters. It is not compulsory that all clusters should be in spherical shape. So we will take into consideration DB-scan. DB-scan is density based spatial clustering of applications with noise. Density based spatial clustering of applications with noise. DB-scan can quantify neighborhood of an object based on user specified parameter. Here we will take into consider two parameters. One is called as epsilon, second one is called as min point. What is epsilon? Epsilon is minimum radius of neighborhood with enough number of points. That means we are setting a minimum number of points should be there in this to make a cluster. If such number of points are there, then radius of that neighborhood is called as epsilon. To determine a neighborhood is dense or not, second parameter we need is min points. Min point specifies density threshold. That means it specifies some level to the density. It specifies minimum number of data points needed in a denser region. That means to say a cluster is a denser region, there should be a minimum number of data points needed. These are the two main parameters, epsilon and minimum points in DB-scan. Then the next term we need to discuss is core object. What is core object? An object is core object if epsilon neighborhood of object contains a minimum threshold number of points. That means an object is can be called as core object if within that radius enough number of min points are there, then we can say that object is core object. For a core object Q and an object P, if P is in epsilon neighborhood of Q, that means it is in the range of our core object, then we can say P is directly density reachable from Q. If P is also core object, we can say Q is directly density reachable from P. That means here we are checking the term Q as core object and P as normal object. So if a normal object is directly density reachable from a core object, then we can include this normal object to the cluster. It is can be taken in as a dense region. Thus we can assemble all small denser regions to larger denser region. That means the main application of DB-scan comes in case of cancerous cells. There may be clustering of certain points or image points, pixel points will be there. In those points, that particular distortion will be there. So we need to take in consider how much dense how much deep this particular disease is affected. So for this purpose, it's an application only. We will calculate the denser regions. Okay, consider this application. This is our data set. These are our data points. For example, assume min points as 5. That means to make a cluster to be dense, minimum number of 5 points are needed in that neighborhood. Epsilon is considered as 2 cm radius. That means a minimum number of radius which includes 5 points. Okay, consider this case. Here we have this all this the last case. Here we got this point which has how many neighbors to this point? 1, 2, 3, 4, and including this it has 5 points. That means inside this cluster it satisfies the minimum number of points criteria. So we can say this is a core object. Here also consider this object, check its neighbors. Here we will get one again we will take into consider its radius. We will get minimum it passes criteria of minimum number of 5 points. Again this is also all these blue items are core object. Again here we took its radius, this is epsilon. Then here also and by taking this is just what about this point? This is near to the core object. Again taking to consider this, in this it has neighbor including that point, we will get the threshold criteria of number of points as 5. But taking to consider this point, what is the peculiarity of this point is Under this radius, see this is my epsilon radius, under this radius I got this point 1, then this point 2, this point 3. It is not satisfying minimum number of 5 points, but it is directly reachable from blue points are core object, right? Directly reachable from this core point. If an object is directly reachable from core point, we can include that point to its our tensor cluster. Similarly, so this point and this point are called as our border point or density reachable point from core object. All those objects which are reachable from core object, then we can say they are directly density reachable from the core object. So this is a border point, this is a border point. Then take into consideration of this point. By taking its radius, no other points exists. So it is not satisfying the minimum point criteria. So this point is considered as outliers. This special particular thing in case of DB scanners, DB scan easily identifies the outliers rather than the K-means algorithm. So this is an outlier. So by taking the cluster, we can remove this outlier. Take into consider this area. So this is its radius. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be a core object. Then this will be border object, like it is directly reachable from core object. So what will be our dense area? So this is our denser area. See what is the shape of the cluster? This is not spherical shape. By K-means algorithm, K-metard algorithm, any kind of hierarchical algorithm, it is mainly concentrate on spherical shape cluster. Here we are not concentrating spherical shape cluster. Here it is mainly concentrated on how much dense region. Like for example, case of cancer, disease detection, cancerous cells detection, we will check how much depth it undergone, or in which area it is more dense, and it will remove all those outliers. That's all about DB scan algorithm. Thank you.